It took this page 2 hours to make 41K with this one AI generated video. And you can do this too, because I'm gonna show you exactly how you can do this. And keep in mind, even after the update that TikTok has released about the AI generated content, it is still possible to make this. Because in my last video, I've been getting a lot of comments about this. And in this video, I'm gonna show you a method how you can do this. And if you still don't believe that this is possible, then in the end of this video, I will give you 2 pages that I found array around the TikTok policy that you can do too. So let's now watch this video so I can break it down and show you how it works.
If you want a bigger Johnny, take Rhodiola rosea. If you want to boost your testosterone and last longer in bed, take cordyceps mushrooms. If you want to slow aging, take shilajit. If you want to reverse cavities, take vitamin K. All of these natural herbs have been packed into 2 simple bottles and can be purchased.
So you see what he has done there? You see at the end of this video, he added in some product video of the product, and this way it still gets approved. And there are actually a few multiple different ways to do this, even if you don't own the product, and I'm gonna show you how that works in this video. But first, let's break down how this video works. So basically, if you can see from this hook over here, they have a killer hook. So if we just watch it again.
If you want a bigger Johnny, take
So yeah, if you want a bigger Johnny, then you have to watch this video. That's essentially what they're saying. And then they give you a problem because you want to have a bigger Johnny, and then the solution is to take that product. So that's basically how they are selling this. So they literally wrote a killer script for this, and I'm gonna show you how you can do that too. Then after we've written out the killer script, we can convert that into an AI video, and then I'm gonna show you how you can make it even better. First of all, we need to find the product, and for this I'm using Kalo data. Here I am in the food supplement niche, and here you can see there's 36 million in revenue. Now, here you can find the product that you're looking for. Literally, there are so many different products that you can choose from. For example, there's one new product that I see a lot of people promoting, which is moringa powder. And there are a bunch of these kind of products. So first off, let me just list off the products that I think look pretty promising right now. We have CMOS, then we have the shilajit, the moringa powder, magnesium, and the creatine. So there are 6 products that you can try this with. And now we can start writing our script. For this, we will be using my custom TikTok script writer. You can access this custom GPT-2 if you click the link in the description down below. There you find a document with some more information and also the link to this GPT. So the way this works is we simply type in our product, and we can also add in like a goal. For example, we want to make a goal that we have something specific in there. We can type it in there and it will generate the script for me. So I want to use this product right here, the CMOS, and then you can see we have black seed oil and ashwagandha in there. So I'm just gonna type it in right here, and now it starts generating the script based on the template, like a hook, explanation of the problem, solution with listed benefits, and then also the call to action. So now we can take this script and put it into our AI. So what you can do is you can type in, can you just write out the text, and then it will just give you the text without the format. Then we can copy this and we can bring this over to our AI video generator. And for this, we will be using Invideo AI. I will leave a link for it in the description down below so you can try it out yourself. Here we have Invideo AI, and they've just released a 2.0 version of their generator. So to select it, you're gonna click here, then you're gonna select 2.0. Now we're gonna do script to video, and here we can create a TikTok video. Then we import our script that I've taken from ChatGPT, and now we can choose what kind of background music we want to have. So I'm gonna go with dark and mysterious. So for the voice, we're gonna go with a male voice, but you can also do your own voice if you have cloned it through Invideo AI. Now I'm gonna go with a male voice, and I'm gonna choose any voice. Then we want to have either add clean subtitles with no outline, or we can add any type of subtitles that we want. For these kind of videos, I would suggest to add like karaoke style subtitles or emoji style, or any more on the screen, more effect type subtitles in there. So let's try out these subtitles with a banger effect. Now for the last part, I'm gonna select give iStock preference over others, as iStock is mostly the best stock footage available. Then we hit continue, and now our prompt is ready and we can start generating our video. Here it will ask you a few questions which you just have to answer. So I'm gonna go with health enthusiast. Then the look and feel should be mysterious. and then the platform will be TikTok, and then we hit continue. The video is now done. Let's see what it looks like.
Ever felt like you're running on empty, tanking at 2 p.m? In today's rush, we're all burned out by noon. Caffeine's a temp fix, but crashes are brutal.
So yeah, that looks pretty good already, but now let me show you how you can make this even better. First, we go to edit. Then here we can change any of the stock footage that we'd like. So for example, for this segment, I don't think it is put in there nicely. So I'm just going to type in ashwagandha, and now we can replace it with any type of file. I'm going to go with a video, and now let's see what this comes up with. Pick the one that you like. For me, it will be this one. And now you see it is overlaid and this one is replaced. Then you can do this for all the other videos that you'd like to change. So for example, here we have a part about CMOS, and let me just replace it by typing in CMOS. Now I'm gonna pick this video, and now that part will also be replaced. Once you're ready with your replacements, you can apply the changes, and now it will regenerate, and this usually takes a minute. Besides that, you can also click on edit, then edit script, and here you can change the script if you'd like. You can even add like custom media or even custom text in there, like a text element, a speaker change, anything that you'd like in here. Now, lastly, we can also replace the music if you don't like the current music that you have. Lastly, I want to change the narrator's voice. I want to make it deeper. Make the voiceover a deeper male voice. After making all those changes, here's what our video currently looks like.
Ever felt like you're running on empty, tanking at 2 p.m? In today's rush, we're all burned out by noon. Caffeine's a temp fix, but crashes are brutal. Enter the powerhouse trio: CMOS, black seed oil, and ashwagandha. CMOS boosts your energy naturally, black seed oil fights off those pesky ailments, and ashwagandha, it'll sharpen your brain and melt the stress. All this magic is packed in one mighty pill.
To be honest, this looks really good, but here and actually somewhere around here is a part where I would add product video in there. And this is exactly what this TikTok account is doing as well. So you have the video here, this is all AI generated, and then they move towards this segment. So what you can do, you can literally take your box of pills and you can just film yourself and you can film the pills and you can add that in there. Or we can use AI to make some good product video, and we can do that through ChatGPT as well. So here I typed in a product on Google, then I looked up like this product, and then I put this into ChatGPT. So here I found this image, and what I said is place this bottle in nature, and then it gave me like these two options that we can choose from. So you pick the one that you like the most. I, for example, like this one a lot. So then you download it. Then we're gonna go back to Invideo. We're gonna click on edit, and here we're gonna click on upload media. Now I've already uploaded my files right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on the part that I want to replace. That will be this part. Then I'm gonna use this segment to replace it. And now I'm also gonna replace this final segment right here. So that will be replaced as well. And now we're gonna apply those changes. Lastly, I noticed that it didn't apply the subtitles that I want to have in there. So I'm gonna say add subtitles in karaoke. And now we're gonna hit generate, and now it will add these subtitles in there. Now our video is done and it looks as follows.
Ever felt like you're running on empty, tanking at 2 p.m? In today's rush, we're all burned out by noon. Caffeine's a temp fix, but crashes are brutal. Enter the powerhouse trio: CMOS, black seed oil, and ashwagandha. CMOS boosts your energy naturally. Black seed oil fights off those pesky ailments. And ashwagandha, it'll sharpen your brain and melt the stress. All this magic is packed in one mighty pill. Feeling sluggish? Grab this natural booster from the link below. Stock's running low, and you don't want to miss out.
So yeah, that's pretty awesome. And keep in mind, you can change anything with these prompts. If you want to change the voiceover, you can do that. You can make scenes longer, you can make scenes shorter. You can even, if you want to, you can lower the subtitles. So this way you have your own custom video through Invideo AI. Now, once you're ready with it, you can click on export, then you can click on export video. You want to go with no watermarks, you want to do non-Invideo branding, and then you want to export it in 1080p. Now we hit continue, and our video will now be exported. Now, before I show you two other accounts that have found a way around the TikTok policy, keep in mind that you can literally make endless amount of videos with Invideo AI. You can literally change the hook, you can change the middle part, or you can even ask Invideo AI to generate the entire script for you. So it's now all up to you. You got all the tools and you can now start creating these videos. But before you do that, let me show you these two accounts so you know what I'm talking about. This page right here has found a way to go around the TikTok Shop policy, and the way they do it is as follows. So they have all of their footage right here. This is also AI generated. This video also AI generated. And what they have done is, instead of promoting someone else's product, they have made their own wellness shop. So they've made their own supplement shop. And if we open this tool, then we can order their product over here. And I've looked it up, they are literally making like 14K a month just by doing this. And here is another page that's pretty much doing the same thing. They've gotten these AI generated videos and they've added some real product footage in there. And for example, this video, you can literally make that with Invideo AI.
This is a warning to anybody considering taking moringa powder.
I will leave a link to Invideo AI and also to the custom GPT bot so you can try it out for yourself. Also, make sure to tag me in your creations so I can see what you have been making. Now, if you want to see more videos that you can generate with AI, then make sure to watch this video that's on the screen right now. And then, as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.